Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a location map, and we are not going to create our ordinary location maps. In this video we try to make something different. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So at first you have to download the country shape file. So if you don't know how to download, I am assuming you are a beginner, so head over to arcgis.org, then go to free spatial data and then country level. After that, select your country and administrative area. Okay, download a zip file, then move it to a folder and extract it, then back to our ArcGIS. And to add your data, click here and go navigate to the folder where you have stored your data, then add it. Fine. Now let's find out our study area. So go to properties. Oh no, we don't need properties, we need attribute table. Go to open attribute table. Fine. Now you have to search your study area location name from this attribute table, and in which column your location area exists. It's actually difficult if you have a big shapefile, so we're not going to do that. So we are just going to search our study area name. So it's FA Sadar. Fine. Now you can see in this column ADM3EN your study area located. Your desired study area name is located. Okay, fine. Then now to select that study area, just go to selection, then select by attributes. Fine. Now here you can see all the column names, and select the column name where your location lies is equal to, then a quotation mark, and write your study area name is. Fine. Apply. Cool, I found it. Then we need to cut that or clip that. Right click here, go to data, export data, then save it in a folder. You can browse here. Okay, fine. Okay, no, I don't need it. So this is our location map. Fine. Alright, then now click in the down left corner, view, layout view. Okay, fine. We don't want this layout, then go ahead, file and page. I'm gonna give it a 4 and landscape. Okay, fine, just resize it. That's the boring thing. Fine. Now what? Now I want to show this map in my original, that is large mothership file. So to do that, at first go to insert and insert a data frame. Fine. Then go to here, this catalog, click here, then navigate to the folder where you have stored your data, shapefile data, country shapefile. So I have BD and drag it here. Now you can see your country shapefile is here. Now just right click and zoom to the layer. Right click and zoom to layer. Fine. Okay, drag it. Alright, now let's say you want to highlight your study area in the big shapefile, that is your country shapefile. So how do we do that? So to do that, you have to again add your study area map in this second second data frame. So now again go to the shapefile, your study area shapefile, and drag it here. Now if you uncheck it, you can see this is your study area. Fine. So at first hollow it, otherwise you can't see your study area. Then change the color. I'm gonna give it red. Alright, cool. Now you can see this is your country shapefile. Sorry, your study area. Okay, now you can draw something like draw. Fine, I'm gonna give a line. So double click. Again, it's actually line, this line, and again. That's it. So now if you want to provide grades, it's pretty simple. Grades, new grid, okay, next levels only. I want it like 9. Next, finish, and apply. You can see the grids here, and these are pretty small, and I don't like this format. There is a horizontal format, I want it vertically. So go to again properties, and here check right, and I don't want to check it for left, sorry, because in the left side I already have another map, so I just want it right. Okay, apply and increase it to 8. Okay, fine, nice. And because I didn't check the left side, that's why in the left side I don't have any coordinates, but if you want you can give, and if you want more coordinates, just you can change the interval of coordinates, interval of latitude, longitude, degrees. So from here, from this section you can like say 5 by 5, then there will be more coordinates. Okay, good. Okay, now you can make some coloring and make it more compelling, like go to the shapefile properties, then symbology, no, levels, and check this level features, and here expression we are going to select ADM4. In this column we got our union names. Apply. Now you can see names right here, and they are small, so we are going to increase the font size 12 and bold it apply. Okay, now you can see that it's now more appealing than the previous one. Okay, now I can color this map by different name of the location. So to do that, go to symbology and categories. Here unique values, under unique values go to value field and again select the same column, then add all values. You can change the color ramp. Okay, apply. Okay, now it's colored. Then what you can do is insert some text here. Oh, it's pretty small. Okay, what do you want, like study area, and change size of the file load. Oh shit. And place it here. Fine, you can add scale, north arrow, scale bar, fine. And I don't need the legend because you can see which union name is what clearly from the map, so why legend? But if you want, you can insert it. Just click here, legend, next, next, and you can provide a background like next, finish. This is your legend. You can group it, you can resize it by just group it, resize it, etc. You can do many things with this, but our focus is not that. We want to create another location map where we can see where is the river, where is built up areas, everything. That is, we want to create another study area with a satellite image, using a satellite image. So remove all of these. Okay, to make a desired image map, you have to at first download satellite image. So if you don't know how to download one, then you can watch my video on how to download cloud free satellite image. Okay, then extract that satellite image, and you have to do one thing called composite file. You have to make composite file. I have already made my composite file. If you don't know how to make this composite image, you can watch my another video on land use classification. It's just a 2-minute task. Fine. Now again input your study area. Where is my study area? There it is. Okay. Next, go ahead to Windows, search, and here write extract by mask, then hit enter. Okay, under spatial analyst tool, fine. Here use satellite image, then use study area. Specify a location, save. Okay. Okay, fine. You can see our extract by mask is ready. So now we don't need the previous big tile. Remove it. Okay, zoom to the layer. Oh, it's quite different. You have to extract it, export this map. Fine. Okay. Now I want to make this one as my start area map. 7, 5, 3. The same color combination, color you may find in lens 7 when it's 742. Use analysis. Okay. Now you can see over here, this is built up areas. This is a river, Ganges River. It's pretty informative. Now how can we make it like our previous one? So, oh shit, it's default. So now what we need is insert data frame. It's like previously how we did previous made our previous map. It's pretty simple that way. So where is our country shape file? There it is. Fine. Make it a little bigger. Then zoom to there. Fine. Now again extract this one or just the shape file you had or have here, and make it hollow. Okay, and change the color red. Okay, now you can see again, you can draw a line. Now you can write here the river name like it's Ganges River. So go to insert text. What Ganges G river. So I want to rotate it. So angle 52. Change symbol. 10 volt. Okay. Where is that? Minus 52. Okay, fine. Now if you want to add your location data, that is your stations, you can add them, add data, then add XY data, your coordinates. Go to the folder where you have stored your coordinates and make sure your coordinate system is in WGS 1984. Rotate it and make it okay. Okay, fine. Now I'm gonna change it. Fine. Now if you want to add legend, you can add it. Insert legend. Next, background. Next. Okay. Now we don't need this RGB, so to delete it, just convert to graphic, then again ungroup it. Here you can select which one you want to delete them, again group them. Fine. Okay, fine. Now if you want to add legend, you can add it. Before that, I'm gonna change it to stations, STAT, or sampling locations. Fine. Now go to insert legend, next. We can give a background, finish it. Okay, convert it to graphic because we don't need RGB. We are gonna delete it. Fine, delete them. Okay, now again group them. Group. Okay, fine. That's a legend. So again, if you want to add coordinate grids, you can add them. I'm not gonna do that again, so it's now the final part is. So we're now gonna just export it. Export map. Okay, JPEG. I'm just 300 dpi. Okay, save it. Desktop. Save it. Fine. Now you can see it. That's it. This is our map. Okay, fine. That's it for now. I think you've learned something. So if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and if you have any comment, if you have any questions, then you can ask it in the comment section down below. Thank you.